Annyeonghaseyo, flavor enthusiasts. Today, we're turning up the heat with a culinary adventure, a sweet and spicy gochujang chicken delight. Imagine succulent chicken glazed in a fiery blend of sweet and spicy gochujang. It's a taste explosion you won't want to miss. I'm your Quirky Quest, and I'm excited to guide you through this fiery and delightful journey. Before we dive into the fiery goodness, let's gather our ingredients. One pound, 450 grams, boneless skinless chicken thighs diced. 1/2 onion, a red onion diced. 1/3 cup cornstarch. 1/4 cup vegetable oil or any neutral oil. 1 green onion finely sliced, optional garnish. 1/2 teaspoon sesame seeds toasted, optional garnish. To make the sauce: 2 cloves garlic minced. 2 tablespoon white granulated sugar or sub with honey or brown sugar. 2 tablespoon gochujang. 2 tablespoon regular soy sauce. 2 teaspoon sesame seeds toasted. 1 teaspoon sesame oil toasted. 1 tablespoon cornstarch or potato starch. 1 cup water room temperature. Dice chicken thighs into 1-inch pieces. Place chicken in a large mixing bowl, set aside. In a small bowl, combine garlic minced white granulated sugar, gochujang, regular soy sauce, sesame seeds, sesame oil, cornstarch or potato starch and water, set aside. Into your large bowl of diced chicken, add cornstarch, mix until chicken is coated in starch. In a large wok or large pan on medium-high heat, heat vegetable oil or any neutral oil. Once hot, add coated chicken. Fry until golden brown and crispy, about 7-10 minutes. Remove chicken and set aside on a baking dish or large plate lined with paper towel to absorb excess oil. Keep the residual oil in the pan. On medium-high heat, fry diced onion until translucent, about 30-45 seconds. Pour in prepared sauce, allow it to simmer to thicken. Once the sauce has thickened, reduce to medium heat. Add in fried chicken, mix to coat evenly. Sprinkle sesame seeds and chopped green onions for that finishing touch. And there you have it, sweet and spicy gochujang chicken delight, ready to be devoured. If you're ready to spice up your dinner, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fiery recipes. Enjoy this delightful journey, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!